Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 11 CBSE Maths Complex Numbers and Quadratic Equation exercise 5.2 fourth sum. Let's see the question. -1 plus I. Convert the given complex numbers to a polar form. So we need to convert the complex number to the polar form. So we are going to take let z equal to -1 plus I. The polar form will be r cos theta plus ir sin theta. So we need to convert in this form. For that we need to find r and theta value. Now as we need to convert in this form, we are going to write let -1 plus I is equal to the given polar form, that is r cos theta, because we need to convert into this. Now equating the real part separately and the imaginary part separately, we get r cos theta equal to -1 and ir sin theta equal to I gets cancelled. We have r sin theta equal to 1. Now squaring and adding 1 and 2. I am going to square and add each. So squaring and adding the equation 1 and equation 2. Separately we need to square and then we need to add the LHS. Similarly, the same way we need to square and add the RHS. If we square and add, we get here it becomes r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta equal to -1 the whole square plus 1 square. Now this becomes, we can take r square common outside. So cos square theta plus sin square theta, here 1 plus 1 will become 2. -1 the whole square will also become 1. So 1 plus 1 will become 2. Now this becomes sin square theta plus cos square theta 1. So r square equal to 2. R will be equal to root 2. Now we found that r value, we need to find the theta value. If we take theta value, for that we need tan theta. To find tan theta, we know sin by cos will be a tan theta. So I am going to divide the second equation with the first one. If I divide, I will get my tan theta. So dividing equation 2 by 1, because sin will come on the numerator. So now r sin theta by r cos theta is equal to, we need to take it in modulus -1. Here r get cancelled, sin theta by cos theta will become tan theta and this becomes 1. We know that tan 1 is 45 degree, that is tan pi by 4. So equating the degree, we will see that theta value is equal to pi by 4. Now we have found the theta value, we need to find the argument of the complex number z. For that we need to see the question. In the question it's given to be -1 plus I. So it is in -1 and plus I, it is in second quadrant, because here the x-axis is minus and y-axis here it is plus. So minus plus lie on the second quadrant. In the second quadrant we know the value pi minus theta. Here theta, here minus theta, here pi minus theta, here minus of pi minus theta. So we know that in the second quadrant the value is theta value is pi minus theta. Here we have found that it is in the second quadrant. We need to write it as the real part is negative. Here real part is negative and imaginary part is positive. We need to write this imaginary part is positive. Therefore it lies in second quadrant. Always we need to write the reason for the second quadrant, and we know that theta value to be argument z is equal to pi minus theta. Now substitute your theta value. Theta value is pi by 4. Substitute it here. Pi minus pi by 4. Taking LCM, this becomes 4 pi minus pi, which is 3 pi by 4. So We have found the argument z is 3 pi by 4. This is the theta value. This we need to substitute it. So now we know that 1 minus the polar form of 1 minus 1 plus I is equal to r cos theta plus ir sin theta. Taking r common, we have cos theta plus I sin theta. Now substitute the values. We found the r value to be root 2 and cos theta is cos 3 pi by 4. The argument z value we need to substitute, not the theta value we found before. We need to always substitute the argument z value, because here people go wrong. They substitute the theta value. It is not the theta value. It is the argument z. And sin I sin pi by 4 is the required polar form of minus 1 plus I. That's all with the sum. Thank you.